Hi, welcome to my biology lesson, and here in this video we will quickly learn about plant and animal cell. Yes, as you can see here in plant cell which is quite regular in shape while animal cell is quite irregular in shape. So let's go through the organelles which are present in it. When we are looking at it, and let me play this so you can see in animal and plant cell, look at the outermost structure which is going to appear. What is this? Yes, this is basically cell membrane which allows all the substances to move in and out of the cell. And after that, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn about cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, which is jelly-like structure, and this is where actually all chemical reactions take place. Then, we go to the boss of the cell. And who is the boss of the cell? Nucleus. Yes, nucleus, which actually controls all cell activities, and also it contains genetic material. And after that, what is that? Yes, these are basically vacuole. As we can see in animal cell, there are small temporary vacuoles, while a plant cell will have large vacuole. And then, we will go for what we will go for. Yes, mitochondria. Yes, mitochondria. This is basically the one where respiration, yes, most important chemical reaction, respiration takes place that releases energy. Yes, so that is why it is also called the powerhouse of the cell. And next, what do we have? Next, we have chloroplast, which is actually the structure for plant cell only. Yes, we don't photosynthesize. Yes, animal cells do not have these chloroplasts. Only plant cells have these chloroplasts because they absorb sunlight for photosynthesis to make food for plant. And then, next, yes, the important structure for a plant cell, which is actually called cell wall, which is quite rigid and it is fully permeable, and it actually, gives strength, and, it protects the plant cell. So these are very important structures that they have. Now let's look at the similarities and differences. Mitochondria, nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm. These are the similarities. While when we are looking at the differences, what do we have? The differences are chloroplast, cell wall, and large vacuole in the plant cell.